Ukraine took a significant leap in aerial strike capabilities as defense firm KB Medoid unveiled a cutting-edge glide module for the FAB-500 bomb. Designed to transform outdated Soviet munitions into accurate long-range weapons, the innovation stands as a major advancement in Ukraine's evolving military doctrine, according to United 24 media. With an effective range of up to 60 kilometers, and tests underway to extend this to 80, the new system dramatically increases the reach of Ukrainian bombers while lowering their exposure to Russian air defenses. The Kiev-based KB Medoid has engineered this module to retrofit the widely available FAB-500 bomb with fold-out wings and a hybrid guidance system combining satellite navigation with inertial controls. This allows aircraft like the Su-24M to drop the bomb from a safe distance, letting it glide toward its target with far greater precision than in its original configuration. The next generation of the system, currently in development, aims to incorporate anti-jamming features co-developed with French technology partners, enhancing its performance in contested electronic environments dominated by Russian S-300 and S-400 systems. This project is a product of Ukraine's war-driven defense transformation. As the country grapples with supply chain disruptions, energy instability, and the pressure of constant conflict, its defense sector has embraced decentralized manufacturing and international collaboration to stay ahead. KB Medoid's innovation is a prime example, reimagining Cold War-era stockpiles into tactical assets. In contrast to the bomb's original use, which required pilots to fly close to enemy positions, the updated version allows for remote engagement, turning an obsolete asset into a modern tool. The move is also a direct response to Russia's use of UMPK glide kits, which gave Moscow a distinct edge in standoff capabilities by 2023. Ukraine began reverse engineering captured UMPK debris to understand and eventually rival their performance. Unlike Russia's centralized, industrial-scale production, Ukraine's approach emphasizes resilience and adaptability. The result is a weapon system comparable in effectiveness but built for wartime flexibility, leveraging existing platforms and materials. While it may not yet rival Western equivalents like the JDAMR or AASM in terms of precision or electronic warfare resistance, Ukraine's glide bomb module offers something equally critical: affordability and independence. Its cost-effectiveness allows for rapid deployment at scale, without relying heavily on foreign supplies. As refinements continue, KB Medoid is working to bridge the performance gap and expand compatibility across Ukraine's fleet, not just with Su-24MS, but potentially with older aircraft as well. Strategically, the implications are substantial. The ability to target logistics hubs, command centers, and infrastructure from standoff ranges introduces new complications for Russian air defense planners. It also underscores Kiev's intention to develop autonomous strike capabilities, lessening its dependence on Western-supplied precision-guided munitions and asserting control over its own warfighting tools. In a broader sense, the development of this glide module reflects a fundamental shift in Ukraine's military thinking, from reactive defense to proactive, tech-enabled offense. As KB Medoid continues refining the system's range, precision, and resistance to interference, Ukraine inches closer to a self-sustaining, low-cost model of warfare built on innovation and necessity. Even in its current state, the bomb module signals a transformation in how Ukraine conducts airstrikes: smart, survivable, and homegrown.